today is Sunday and I usually make pancakes for my family. But since my son is now 1, he'll be eating what we eat. And unfortunately, he has a milk and egg allergy. So I have a great recipe that is a dairy-free pancake that he absolutely loves. So come check it out. So what we have here is some smashed bananas, but it's basically 2 bananas that are ripe. And you smash it to give you that egg texture. So we're going to mix that in a little bit. First, we're going to add a cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and we have about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. And if you want to put sugar in here, you can, but I don't want to really give my baby much sugar. So these bananas are actually really ripe, so I'm going to kind of use the sweetness from the bananas to sweeten the pancakes. And you could also add vanilla extract if you want to, but I'm choosing not to add that today. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to mix all the dry ingredients first. And we're going to set that aside. Like I said, I smushed up 2 bananas. You want to smush it up till it's nice and soft. And I mean, look at this. It's just like an egg. So I'm going to add a cup of breast milk. But if you want to use milk, you can. Or you can use almond milk if you're using that. Any kind of milk that you're using, you can use. I have breast milk that I'm using because we haven't transitioned him to almond milk yet. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. And I have 4 tablespoons of melted vegan butter. I like to use this brand because it still has that taste of butter, but it's dairy free, so it's perfect for him. Because unfortunately, he has a dairy allergy. So we're going to mix that all together. And then what we're going to go ahead is going to add it slowly to our dry mixture. And just slowly mix it in until we get the texture that we like, or the consistency that we like. I've made these before. Last time I made it, I used applesauce to sweeten it. But I don't have any homemade applesauce today, so I'm not going to add it this time, but it came out really good. And if it's too thin, you can always add a little flour to thicken it. I think this is actually going to be perfect. It's going to be a little lumpy, like regular pancake batter normally is a little lumpy. You don't want it too watery, but you don't want it too thick. And actually the breast milk sweetens it too. It makes it pretty sweet. He loves them. Alright, so once it's all mixed, you're going to let that sit for about 5 minutes. And I'm going to go ahead and get my pan ready to fry up these pancakes. Just going to go ahead and put our batter in. It's starting to bubble, so we're going to just go ahead and flip it. Yep, perfect. Smells good. So usually I like to make them a little smaller, like bite size for him, because I can freeze them in little containers to store them for later. So I like to have pre-made meals for him. So when they're bite size, they'll fit in a little small box Tupperware. And they'll just pop them in the microwave for a few seconds and they're good to go. one's almost done. I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna make a few more. And so this batch usually makes about 15 if you do it this size. If you do it a little bigger like this size, you probably can make about 7. We usually eat about 2 of them, so 2 of this size. So yeah, it's a good meal to make for your kids or your babies. And then again, if you store it in the freezer, it lasts for about 3 months. If you put it in a Ziploc or air-sealed container to keep the frost out. And just like I said, you put them in the microwave and you can leave them in the oven for like a minute, and they come out soft and crispy and nice and delicious. I like to put cinnamon on top, but I know like for your older ones, like your toddlers, you can put peanut butter on top. You can use yogurt with it. He can't eat those things, so I'm kind of limited on what I can put on it. But I used to put a little cinnamon on it, and he absolutely loves it. Or with applesauce, he loves it that way too. That's a healthier alternative. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and flip these over, and then it should be all ready. Alright, so that concludes my video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and go ahead and try that recipe. Let me know what you think below in the comments, and make sure you subscribe if you are not subscribed, and go ahead and give a like to this video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!